House will be in order. The chair wishes to make an announcement regarding the decorum in the House chamber. The chair appreciates that members will differ on matters of policy and will seek to express those differences. But the chair would hope that the business of the House could be conducted in a fashion that respects positively on the dignity and the decorum of this institution to which we all belong. For what purpose does the gentleman from Kentucky, Mr. Rogers, seek recognition? Pursuant to the order of the House of June 8, 2016, the unfinished business is further consideration of the veto message of the President on House Joint Resolution 88. The clerk will report the title of the joint resolution.
House Joint Resolution 88, Joint Resolution to Security the rules submitted by the Department of Labor relating to the definition of the term fiduciary.
The question is, will the House on reconsideration pass the joint resolution? The objections of the President to the contrary notwithstanding, the gentleman from Minnesota, Mr. Klein, is recognized for 1 hour.
The American people today protect access to affordable retirement by voting to override the President's veto. I yield back the balance of my time, and I move the previous question.
The gentleman from Minnesota yields back. The question is on ordering the previous question. Those in favor say aye. Those opposed say no. The opinion of the chair, the ayes have it. Gentleman from Minnesota. A recorded vote is requested. Those favoring a recorded vote will rise. A sufficient number having risen, a recorded vote is ordered. Members will record their vote by electronic device. Clause 9 of Rule 20. This 15-minute vote on ordering the previous question will be followed by a 5-minute vote on passing the joint resolution. The objectives of the President to the contrary notwithstanding, this is a 15-minute vote.